delicious chicken dish that serves the whole family. I'm going to start here by chopping the bell pepper. We're going to use green bell pepper and also red bell pepper for this recipe. I start by cutting the peppers into pieces that are not too small and not too large. I've already chopped both peppers. Now I'll set them aside and continue with the chicken preparation. Now we're going to cut the chicken breast. For this recipe, I'm going to use 2 medium chicken breasts. First, I cut them into strips and then cut those strips into medium-sized cubes. I finished cutting the chicken and now I transfer everything to a bowl. I placed all the chicken in the bowl and now we're going to season it well so it gets a lot of flavor. I add fresh ginger here, which enhances the chicken's flavor in an incredible way. I also add 3 crushed garlic cloves to give more aroma. Now I add 1 teaspoon of crushed chili, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then 1 tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of olive oil to add flavor. And finally, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour to help with the texture. Now just mix all these ingredients well with the chicken. Let's make sure every piece is well coated with the seasoning. In another container, I'm going to add a little over 3/4 of a cup of hot water. I dissolve 1 chicken bouillon cube in it to enhance the flavor of the recipe. This preparation will also give a special touch to our chicken. It will be a light sauce, but very tasty to complement the dish. With the bouillon already dissolved, I now add the soy sauce. Here I have 3 heaping tablespoons of soy sauce. I also add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix well until it dissolves. The mixture is ready and well combined. Now I just set it aside, as we'll use this broth in a moment. In a hot skillet, I add the chicken to fry. I added a little olive oil and start browning the chicken on all sides. The chicken is already nicely browned, so I remove it from the pan and set it aside. In the same skillet, I add chopped ginger to saute. I also add 3 garlic cloves to intensify the aroma. The ginger gives a special flavor and transforms the chicken preparation. With the garlic slightly browned, I add 1 chopped onion. I saute until the onion is slightly translucent. Then I add the red and green bell peppers. I gently stir so the flavors start to blend. Now I add the already fried chicken, putting everything back in the skillet. Then I incorporate that tasty broth mixture with soy sauce and cornstarch. I mix all the ingredients well and let it cook for about 5 minutes. The chicken is ready with a thick sauce and an irresistible aroma. And now comes the best part, serving this delicious flavor-packed chicken.